Hi everyone, I'm Shayna from WTI, and this is the best protein shake ever. This is the protein shake from Fairlife in the chocolate flavor, and it's absolutely amazing. This protein shake has a whopping 30 grams of high quality protein and only 2 grams of sugar. And for those who are lactose intolerant, it's perfect for you because it is lactose free. And I normally don't like chocolate protein shakes because I don't like that artificial chocolate taste, but this one tastes exactly like chocolate milk. So this shake was created for on the go to help satisfy hunger whenever and wherever. And a lot of time and attention went into this product, even down to the shape of the bottle. It's cinched in for easy holding, so it's perfect for those with small hands. And lately, I've been trying to find new ways to incorporate this protein shake. I've had it as a protein hot chocolate, and I've also used it in French toast, and my absolute favorite way is Proffee, which is protein plus coffee. So I love that this protein shake doesn't have that chalky taste. So sometimes I actually forget that I'm drinking a protein shake, and I hope you like it as well. And that's my point of view.